I love music because I can express myself through the pieces that I play.
I go hungry, I go black and blue. I go crawling down the avenue.
It's kind of an outlet for me where I say I come home from school and it's really stressful. I can go and play the piano.
Well, we adopted Charli when she was 2.5 years old. We knew that she had glaucoma.
I was 5, and we went to the public library, and there was a lady there behind the desk when I would check out books, and she had a dog. And Mom was explaining to me, that's a guide dog. And I told her, I said, when I get big, I want a guide dog.
She is fiercely independent. She knows exactly what she wants out of life. And when she sets out to do something, she makes it happen no matter what obstacles are placed in her path.
I went to guide dog camp in 2021. They let us work with the dogs on harness. And that's when I realized, I was like, wait a second. This is something that I've never been able to not do, which is look at the ground. And that gave me further reassurance on me wanting a guide dog.
As we sat in the airport waiting for our flight home, I pulled up the application on my laptop and we filled it out, and we had sent it before we got on our flight.
Hi, it's Joanne from Southeastern Guide Dogs. How are you?
I got the call in January of 2023, and that's when I found out I was getting the dog.
All right, I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
Match day was very exciting and nerve-wracking.
All right, I have Soldier for you. You come in. Soldier, come. Hi! Here you go. Hi, Soldier. Soldier, come.
When I first met her, she really didn't jump on me. She kind of just wagged her tail and was like, oh, you're a new person. And that's kind of how I am when I first meet people. It's not that I'm shy, I'm more reserved and I like to take everything in. So that's kind of how I describe Soldier. So Soldier, she's a brindle lab in harness. She's very true to her name. She's a faithful soldier. We zoom everywhere we go. I don't have to tell people, hey, wait on me. I feel a lot more confident about crossing streets downtown. I don't have to hyper-focus on what's around me. Okay, am I gonna trip? Is there something overhanging? I don't have to think about that anymore because the Soldier just guides me around everything.
We have seen a tremendous change in Charli. When you have big dreams for yourself and there are a lot of obstacles that you have to work around, that takes up a lot of your mental bandwidth. Soldier gives her confidence and takes that burden of mobility off of her. Landmarking is probably Soldier's favorite skill. You can tell when she's excited. She does a little prance walk. So she knows immediately where to find the elevator. Charli thinks she even knows which elevator is going to open. I'm not so sure about that.
When I graduate high school, I will be going to Auburn University. I would love to play in the symphonic band at Auburn, and she would obviously be with me.
Soldier, come.
Soldier's changed my life by giving me confidence and not having to rely on people, and knowing that she's always going to be there when I need her to guide me.
Now is the time to remember there are two of us facing our fate. you've been tried by the burdens you bear, I'm here to carry the weight. You can count on me. You can count on me. Ready and willing whenever you need. I'll gladly follow or I'll take the lead. Count on me.
View every episode of Dogs of Destiny at guidedogs.org/dogsofdestiny.